Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. I hope everyone is doing well today. I am Mayell Condor, a BL student in Cebu Normal University. So for today's video, I'd like to introduce to you what is patterns in nature and its different kinds. So let's start.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
We see a wide range of living creatures all around us, from the microscopic to the huge, from the simple to sophisticated, and from vivid colors to dull one. Patterns are one of the most fascinating things we notice in nature. We usually think of pattern as organized under repeating sequence or designs, but we can also think of patterns that it is a physical representation that everything is connected. Patterns in nature are visible, regular forms found in natural. The pattern can sometimes be modeled mathematically, and they include symmetries, fractals, spirals, meanders, waves, poems, oscillations, rocks, and stripes. Join me and let's explore the different kind of patterns in nature. Symmetries. There are 6 kinds of symmetries where we can find in nature. The first one is the bilateral or mirror symmetry, is when different sides of something are alike, which is common to animals, humans, and insects, as well as to some leaves of plants and flowers. Second is radial or rotational symmetry, explain that when an object is repeated in its own axis, the shape of the object looks the same, and which plants often have in few groups of animals, such as sea animals. Under the rotational symmetry, there are 4 other kinds of it, which mostly be seen in the flower. There is 3-fold symmetry, then here is the 4-fold symmetry, then the 5-fold symmetry, and lastly, 6-fold symmetry. Let's move on to another types of pattern, which is fractal. Fractals are the never-ending patterns that repeat indefinitely as the pattern is repeated on an infinitely smaller scale. Then we have spiral, a continuous and gradually widening curve which are common in plants such as sunflower seeds, flower petals, and also in some animals, especially mollusks. The next pattern we have is meanders, means a sinuous bends in water or other channels, which form as a fluid. Most often water flows and around the bends. Next we have is waves or dunes, which wave in water or winds pass over sand. They create patterns of ripples. When winds blow over large bodies of sand, they create dune. Next is foam, which is a mass of bubbles that forms a more complex shape. The outer surface of both bubbles are spherical. Next, we have tessellations, a pattern formed by repeating tiles all over a flat surface. Then the cracks are linear openings that can be found in bark of trees and dry land. Last but not the least, spots or stripes, means around the mark, while stripe is a formation of lines. It is a great to have patterns because aside that, it leaves beauty. It provides clear understanding of mathematical relationship. Let us try to see math from a different point of view, and that may be our whole new way to understand the modern world. Thank you for watching!